Pumped about this review, y'all. Telling you what. Let's go, baby. Let's go. The 2021 Roush F-150 has finally arrived. I got my main man, Brady Rambo. My son, love this guy right here. So Brady's gonna be driving soon. So I gotta ask Brady, what do you think about the Roush F-150? Do you like it?
I love it. You got the keys for me?
As I'm telling you, he's ready. Drop in the comment, what kind of vehicle do you want for your first vehicle? What you got on your mind?
F-150.
F-150. I've taught him right, y'all. Let's go. So 2021 Akins Ford Roush F-150. Been waiting on this one for a while, y'all. So glad to finally get here. That 14th gen, we wanted to see in person finally what the Roush engineers could come up with. And again, they knocked it out of the park. So great job, guys. And we love this Oxford White XLT. So y'all, love this bold, iconic grille. It's one of the most noticeable things about the Roush performance vehicles, the grille combo. It's always iconic and legendary. So the nice custom molded Roush bold. I mean, the Roush logo even sticks out about 3.5 inches. It's just a very aggressive stance with functional air intake routes and a nice little silver accent on the side there. Love this grille in that satin black material. It just screams bad to the bone Roush performance, y'all. So this is a sport appearance package. So you got body color bumpers, which is very nice. Even this lower front bump kit is different on the Roush performance vehicles. So that's a just a distinct, aggressive off-road iconic front end. We've got a nice LED signature lighting that goes elongated down into the front bumper, which just looks great. And then on Roush's hood and also on the top of the window, they have the custom vinyl with Roush. The Roush is no longer in on top of the window. It has a nice embossed vinyl graphic up top there. So basically today's video is just about going over the great content on this. Now, it's not going to be a bore you video, hopefully, but just one that's just showcasing a big, bad, beautiful American Roush F-150 right here at Akins. The 5-liter V8, so you get 400 horsepower is the power plant. Secondly, there are not any superchargers available yet for this 2021 year model. There are some engine differences, and as far as the emissions for being a 50-state compliant, that is just not buttoned up yet to where they're going to offer these for this year model on the Roush performance vehicles from Roush. Now you can purchase the superchargers available secondary from us coming up very soon, and then we hope to also be able to add those to these vehicles as well as your other great vehicles, especially maybe our upcoming Thunder edition. We want to supercharge that one too. So keep in mind, Roush performance, got to come to that first, y'all. Coming down the side, I want to notate, and here's a picture of the side fender flares that they were going to use. I'm glad that they ended up not going with them, honestly. This is a more subtle, nice little accent off-road fender flare to incorporate and give you a little bit more tire clearance coverage on the side. And then their side bags, they kept that gray color theme and just put a nice embossed Roush logo right below the F-150 portion. That looks great. Down the side, we got more graphics down the bottom with the Roush logo. That just really adds to the overall off-road appeal, and it's unique to Roush for sure. Now, our wheel and tire combo. I like seeing a non-black wheel on a Roush vehicle or any vehicle, y'all. It's just cool to see a variation. So this is a Roush Performance off-road inspired 20-inch wheel. Has a very nice anthracite satin finish to it. Roush across the logo there, and then also on the center cap. Love the wheel, the General Grabber AT tire. This is not probably my top 5 all-terrain tires, but it's a great option. You know, General and Continental are the same company, so the great partnership that Roush has had with Continental on all their Mustang vehicles, it was a easy choice to go with this tire because it is a very well-rounded tire, has a good look to it too, and has great on-road and off-road capability characteristics. Now on the inside, an XLT does not have leather, so obviously Roush did hook this up with some great leather, black with a nice gray, modern digital perforated insert there, and Roush embossed up on the headrest, and that is actually gray with black side bolsters. Your 302A contents are obviously a game changer, and the gauges are actually different too on the cluster there. So you got a different Roush gauge cluster, which is the first one I've seen in the 14th gen. That just looks so sporty and very Roush-like. 12-inch screen galore. B&O audio is also on this one, so this Roush is really all there. If you go with a Lariat, obviously you're going to get some other amenities, but adding the leather to this one already and some of the other creature comforts that the 302A comes with, this is a home run package, whether it's a Wild Willies vehicle or a Roush vehicle or a stock vehicle, all of the above, y'all. So our highly popular leveling kit option is the Roush Fox 2.0 coilover kit up front. Has it sitting nice and true and level. We love the way that looks. Has it at a perfect stance. Our tire size is 305 5520. That's a 33 by 12. So this is a very great overall size, but in that mid-level range as far as aggressiveness, as far as overall height and width. A great overall option. Now out back we've got Fox 2.0. Shocks in the back as well, just to prove your overall experience while driving this vehicle. And I love the American flag, y'all. We're all about America here at Akins, and that's just a great feature on the Roush vehicles. Out back, they got a new embossed Roush logo, vinyl graphic there. This looks so phenomenal. Another great feature on the Roush F-150, the 2021 year model, is the Roush Performance exhaust. So a great sounding Roush catback exhaust. It doesn't sound that loud to me, does it to you, Brady?
No, not really.
It's not. So one thing we've learned in the prior generation is because of the emission compliance for 50 states, these vehicles are now equipped with a plate in the exhaust. So we're going to also take that plate out because we love to hear that Roush Performance sound. So just know if you buy a Roush vehicle, there's a plate in the exhaust that limits the overall bad to the boneness of the exhaust. So stay tuned for more bad boy exhaust notes after we finish this one. Every Roush vehicle, y'all, also comes with a certificate of authenticity, as well as WeatherTech floor liners that are specifically made for Roush for these vehicles. Even have the Roush logo on the WeatherTech floor mat. So a true full package custom right here at Akins. We're going to add some wheel well liners and spray and bed liner and window tint to cap this one off. But just a phenomenal Oxford White 2021 Roush F-150 off-road beauty, y'all. Let me know what you think in the comments about this overall vehicle. The wheel color, do you like it? Do you like the Oxford White wheel choice? What would you do, or what would you tweak different on this one? Of course, myself, I'm always looking like you paint this emblem right here, custom two-tone, would enhance it. There's things you could do to just take the thing next level, but that's what my mindset is, y'all. I'm always trying to make the best even better. So Roush Performance is right there with us in that theory and thought process. We love dealing with Roush from the accessory side as well as the vehicle side. So come see us for all of your vehicle needs, especially Roush Performance, y'all. Your top 8 Ford dealership nationally, conveniently located in the heart of Georgia near the Atlanta area, Winder, Georgia. Come see us.